People have called me crazy, saying that NVIDIA is going to go down, and they're looking at me like, no, it's not. I have videos of proof to prove it to you. I made a video right back in here. NVIDIA is due for a big correction soon. Must watch to make massive money on the downside. This was posted June 19th, 4 days ago. As you can see, the candle was right up here at the top of the upper band when I was liking this for put size. And anybody who took that has made massive money just like me. Yes, it sucks not following the crowd, guys. It sucks being a lone sheep going away from it. Everyone's bullish. Everyone march. We're all bullish. Not me. This is due for a correction, guys. I'm telling you, stop following into the sheep here. This is going to go down big, and here's why. We had the upper band touch to the system. Every time it touches the upper band touch, it goes down. It corrects. It doesn't have to go down, but it's a nice signal that it will go down. Now, what's different about this upper band touch is the massive time distance we have from the EMA 20. Anybody that knows my system, the last touch of the EMA 20 was way back in May 2nd. The current data is June 21st. So that is time distance that I say that we had no candles touching this light blue band, this line. That's your EMA 20. Price has to touch that. If it doesn't touch that, price will zoom and touch that. As you can see, this is price hurrying up to touch that EMA 20. Now, can it bounce at this EMA 10? I'm going to assess that. I am up a lot on my puts. I am very safe. I'm conservative. I've got plenty of expiration on it, and I'm going to see how much I can rack in the money on this. I made a video, like I said, 4 days ago on June 18th. If this touches the upper band or gets close to it, we are going to buy some puts. And I showed you guys many examples of why. Because one, look at the monthly chart. This is a longer term. It's going to be probably a blow off top. And what you're seeing is price is way above the upper band. But we don't just, this is just a longer term that we're due for a big correction. The weekly, it tried to get above the upper band right in here. It had some great distance, but it's going down. But we always look at the daily. As you can see, we were just not at that upper band. So when it does that, I am pounding that thing. I'm pounding. I don't care how many people are bullish on NVIDIA. I am going to make massive money because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for puts. Once in a lifetime. You're not going to get this all the time. Yes, you can get little corrections right in here. We hit the upper band, and then we go straight down to the EMA 5. Sure, make 50%. You can make lots of money here. Hits the upper band here, make another 50% depending on your option play. Go up in here and hit the upper band. I'm looking for some bigger gains because we have massive time distance. The EMA 10 was a very conservative target. The EMA 20, I think we can do. And if we go under that EMA 20 and we start making a downtrend type move, then yes, that is going to be over. This is going to be a massive, massive run. So let me show you the last time this played out. We might have a scenario like this. We had massive time distance of the EMA 20. We finally hit it right on these candles. You see how fast price went to go to it? We had this nice upper band touch, and then we go zooming on down, and then we went zooming back up. We could easily do that, guys. I'm not saying that's not a possibility, but we are so overextended that maybe, just maybe, this might be different, and we start heading down. So I'm going to be looking for that, guys. Anybody that took my advice and bought puts on NVIDIA, congratulations. You guys are, making bank if you're still holding them. I'm going to see what's going to hold. If this jumps above the EMA 10, as we're seeing right here, this could be a nice rejection up to the upside. I would obviously close them, but I'm going to see if I can aim for the EMA 20 since I have a lot more expiration, and then maybe we start coming down into this black area. So, yeah, that's NVIDIA. Nobody's calling me crazy now, right? now that the options are way up there, it's kind of hard to lose on this trade. So if you guys want to have this strategy and see for yourself, I mentioned the Discord. I don't like playing option plays unless they're like high liquidity, like on a big cap stock. There's a nice setup. It has to be an A+ setup because options are super, super, super risky. But if you can really time them right, you make a lot of money. So yeah, that was one of the best trades. NVIDIA, do not follow the sheep, guys. If you see that the system is showing signs of a trend reversal, Like right in here, this is hitting the upper band with all the other time frames, and we use lower time frames to get precise entries. You need to stop buying. You need to know, like, okay, this is going to show a correction. If you guys want to see my complete system, my setup, my alerts, and all that, click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll have a pin link for my Discord. When you join, I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe, avoid scammers, all that good stuff. I'll never DM you first. But all you have to do in order to be a part of the most amazing community for an affordable price that makes sense, that any trader can do this strategy, hit the server shop on the top left and we have Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. I'm going to recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus for $12 a month. You get access to all my subscriptions tabs under here, day trades and swing trades. And we're also going to add live streams here in the future. I'm just, we're trying to work that through. But the value's so big for $12 a month with an over 95% win ratio. I promise you guys are going to love this strategy. You get my actual journal to prove it on my consistency wins, my actual swing trade alerts and day trade alerts and all that if you join that. But wow, it just feels good. Like my intuition, I was like, I'm telling you guys, listen to me on this one. This is looking good. The daily, the weekly, the monthly. How many more signals do you need that this thing is coming down for a correction? I'm not going to say it's going to collapse. I'm going to try to see if we can get under this EMA 20 for a bigger lottery hit. We will see. But if this starts shooting up, I can see this making a newer high and hitting the upper band. And you better believe it, I'm going in for some more puts. And that's just more money in my pocket. So yes, I don't follow the herd. I'm a loner sheep, and that's why I don't lose in the market like a lot of retail traders. Do this system and you will be profitable, because anyone with 2 eyeballs can know how to use this system. It's very user friendly, and you're gonna love it. I even have an education video to have your chart set up like mine, and let's make some money, guys. You're gonna be super profitable. All right, guys, I'll see you in the Discord. Like I said, $12 a month for the day trade and swing trading alerts, and I'll hope to see you guys there. And like I said, you guys are going to learn how to fish. You don't need me to give you alerts. You can see this for yourself and be like, wow, look at that time distance to the EMA 20. Look at all the time frames above the upper band. Look at look at the massive distance to just the EMA 5. We have $140, and we went all the way just to 120. That's massive gains on options, guys. Don't let that come away from you guys. Trading reversals is awesome. It's my bread and butter. I love these kind of trades. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is NVDA, and we're going to go more for the downside and see what happens. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. If you guys liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it, and peace out.